Send Vinted Parcel Yuki. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send Vinted Parcel and Yuki. So if you're sending it internationally, then first thing you have to manage is the packing your items securely. You also need to print out the shipping label, and along with that you need to attach the shipping label, and accordingly you need to drop off at the post office or arrange collections, and you can just track your parcel. Along with that, you can also use the DHL facilities. Now what you have to do is, for that case, from here it's all about sending process. So you can drop off your parcel at the nearest DHL e-commerce UK service point, which manages the sending of your item, provided important tracks, details, and all that as mentioned earlier. And accordingly you'll be able to send your parcel to UK from Vinted. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.